Miss Dominique. How are you doing?
I'm
Oh
great.
my God. Somebody needs to take this screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot right now. Oh my God. That is amazing. You look amazing. You carry well.
Thank you. I'm losing weight in the hips and gaining weight only in that area.
That's awesome. I see that your arms, everything else is nice and nice and lean. So that means you're eating well. You're being very good, and nutrition is good. Well, I'm so proud of you, and I'm so happy for you. And I'm just I'm it just made my day.
Yeah, 3 months.
Overall, I know. I was using you as an example for my patients. I said, hey, you know what? When I tell people not to try to get pregnant, they don't always listen. And at the end of the day, this good news happens. I can't yell at you because it's good news. Are you at
You
work
like
right now?
Mhm.
Are you at work right now?
No, I was just getting off, so I was like, okay, let me hurry up and get in the shower, and that's why I told them 1:15. They gave me like 15 minutes to do what I need to do.
Awesome. So, wanted to ask you how your experience was with not just me. Forget about what I did, but my team. So, how
Forget about
how
what you
was
did.
it? Okay. So,
Everybody was very nice. When I went in and on the way down there, I was nervous. I was very nervous. We both were. And I was like, oh, and it was more like, okay, so what's the percentage that's gonna happen? If is it not gonna happen? I'm like, okay, well, I mean, everybody else went somewhere else because I was on a little Facebook thing where everybody, one person mentioned you and she was like, oh, she's pregnant. So I was like, okay. And she went to the same place and I was like, she said Loganville. And I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna try it. I couldn't find no reviews or nothing because I'm a review person.
uh,
And when I didn't see no reviews, I kind of got, well,
that
uh,
that is.
like,
I'm a very private person. I barely have a social media presence, and I think
some reviews.
reviews are, as you know, most people that have a bad experience tend to review. Most people that have a good experience, and overwhelming majority of our patients, because we really value customer service.
Mhm.
They just they're gone. They don't review. So is it a bad thing? Probably, but I am who I am. My job is to treat everybody like family, and that is my mission. That is my team's mission, and to get a good result. And I'm so happy for you. So
Yeah, I felt, I mean, I don't even know the guy's name. But the one that works with you alongside you, the guy,
uh,
um, the Caucasian guy,
yeah,
he was so nice. And everybody that was in the room on to me coming in the door was just like amazing because it was just like very, it's calming. I love water, so that noise and the
yeah.
music, it was like calming. So I was like, "Oh, this looks nice. This it looks luxury." So getting on the table and stuff, it was like, okay, I'm okay. I'm not nervous anymore.
Now, Dominic, did you know that the majority of doctors do this procedure with a big incision, a C-section incision that takes weeks to heal?
You know what? And I thought that's what I was expecting that, but when I got these little scars that healed. And it was like everybody was like, "Oh my goodness, that doesn't look bad."
Exactly. So I'm one of the only doctors in the world that actually offers that, because I realize that why should our ladies have to suffer again and again dealing with the wound complication and infections and bleeding when we can offer a laparoscopic option. So and this obviously, as you can tell, what are the alternatives? Like if you were to try, fertility treatment, what is that experience gonna be for you?
I don't know. I don't have to do that. Thanks to you.
well, from the feedback of some of our patients that go through fertility treatments, we're talking about $30,000 to $50,000 with a lot of complications such as weight gain, diabetes, and all kinds of stuff. And the failure, the success rate is not high at all. So I think if we have the blessing and the opportunity to try to restore the tubes and have a natural birth, which in your case is 100% success, it's the best way to go. So tell me, what would you tell someone? I know the answer to this question. What would you tell anyone looking to have their tube reversed?
If you nearby in the area or you close by, I mean, you guys are very affordable. You guys are nice, sweet, and very nice. And I mean, I would just tell them to go to Loganville. Go to
And we do,
Loganville instead of
yeah.
going to Mexico.
And we do have, we're moving close to Mexico. So now we open 2 centers in Florida. We have another center in Atlanta. So we have 4 centers. And hopefully we'll have 10 centers in the next 5 years or so. So no need to go to Mexico. If there's anything, Dominic, that we can improve on, what do you think we can improve on?
Nothing.
Well, Dominic, I want to wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. I want to wish your family a wonderful day as well. And I want you to obviously, I have you on my calendar. As soon as the baby comes out, I want you to name her after me. But I know that's impossible. But at least send me a picture or something, because she is blessed and you're blessed and your family as well.
Yes, yes, yes. They already got stuff. She already got a lot of stuff.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
She's already spoiled. Very spoiled. Yeah. My mom and the grandparents, they says thanks. They say thank. Dad wasn't here and he came and Dad wasn't able to be here. So he told me to tell you guys he is ecstatic, he is excited, and he was also nervous about the procedure too, but
Yeah.
he is like ready.
Awesome. Dominic, you have a wonderful day and keep in touch with us. Any questions or concerns you have, we're here for you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a
Thank
good day.
you.
All
You
right.
too.
Bye.